Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. Today we're installing a CTS intake on this 2021 Mk7.5 GTI. I bought this kit used, so I will be upgrading the intake filter to a K&N. So this K&N filter is a little bigger and will probably make a lot more turbo noises. So I do recommend replacing that with a bigger filter. But this one will work fine, but it is just smaller, and that one it's K&N, you know. You can't be a K&N filter, you know what I'm saying? All right, now we're gonna start taking off the intake and all this stuff. So you're gonna have to take these two T25s out right here. 1, 2, right there. All right, now we're gonna take this coolant line off right here. Rip this off, just like that. Get this out the way. And with this, what you wanna do is you wanna press down on this tab and it'll come right out like that. Lift up on this, press down, just like that, and grab it, and this whole thing. All right, now take your engine cover off. All right, now in the back, you're gonna take this hose clamp off right here, and it's a size 7 right there. All right, now you wanna take this clamp off right here, just like that. Just move it up, and now you can get it from right here, and shake this off a little bit, and it comes right out just like that. All right, now you want to take this vent hose out right here. You want to grab, I don't know, a flathead or something. You can put it in here just to slide it right out like that, because you got to relocate it back somewhere around this area when we install the intake. So let's just move this over for right now, and you got to take this hose off too. All right, little tip to taking this hose off: hold it like this, and you just move it up and down, and it comes right out just like that. All right, now when you're taking this air box out, there's 2 grommets holding this air box in, one right there, and then one right here. One right there, and you pick it up right here, and boom, we have the whole air box out. All right, now we're gonna put this boot on the inlet in the back with the hose facing just like this, just like that. All right, now looking where the heat shield goes, now you could put 2 grommets right here, right there, and then this bottom one you're gonna put on the heat shield. This is the heat shield right here. This one goes on the bottom. Now we're gonna install this. Now you just gotta line everything up. All right, now you just press everything together. All right, now we're gonna put on the intake pipe right here. So we're just gonna, and make sure you connect your vent hose right here, and they give you a bolt right here. I mean, I have a custom one because I did buy this kit used, but there's a bolt right here to line up right here. So I'll show you how to put it on. Just like this, line it up with the boot and everything, just like that. And now tighten up that 8 in the back. Make sure to not tighten up this bolt in the back, but make sure you have the vent hose connected right here. Now we could put on our filter just like this. That's why I said don't tighten it, so we could still have a little movement in here. Now with your 8, tighten up this hose clamp. All right, now this is the time you tighten up the bracket to the intake. All right, now when you're done tightening up your bracket, now you can put in your SAI filter right here, secondary air pump filter. Now the last step is to put on your engine cover. That is how you guys install an intake on a 2021 GTI.